The Audiobank AB-690 Coaxial Speakers deliver a noticeable upgrade over factory car speakers, with a fuller and more engaging sound across high, mid, and low frequencies. Their Multiway design, combining an injection cone woofer with dedicated mid-range and tweeter elements, produces clear vocals and crisp detail without sounding harsh. With strong total power handling and a solid voice coil, these speakers can play loudly and dynamically without easily distorting when properly powered. The wide frequency response, reaching from deep mid-bass to very high treble, helps music sound more complete and balanced for everyday listening and road trips. A relatively efficient sensitivity rating means they can work well even with typical head units, while still benefiting from an external amplifier for more impact. Build touches like the sturdy magnet and well-constructed cones give the AB690 a durable feel that should hold up well under regular in-car use.